But if you think you're gonna get away from